So hello guys, welcome back to Gettobyte Technologies. In this video, we are going to show you another automotive solution application and the demonstration using the LIN communication protocol. Now many of you must have gotten question why there is existence of LIN and use cases of LIN as compared to CAN. So the applications in the areas where the speed and the fault is of not so importance and the faults can be tolerable, like applications of power windows, trunk control, seat adjustments. In all these applications there is use of LIN communication protocol. Coming to the hardware demonstration, there are two boards. The one is the LIN master, which will be having the node to control the power window, and the another board will be connected with our power windows or any seat adjustments which needs to be controlled by LIN communication protocol. So in this video you can see this is a LIN master and it is sending paradox LIN frames to the LIN slave via the LIN transceiver IC and the LIN communication protocol. And on the screen, as you can see, as we move the knob, our window is getting up and down. So that is one of the very basic and simple application of the LIN for in automotive. Further in this video and in the solution, we are gonna integrate our own electronics version 3 and the CSEC cryptography protocols of the SHE standard to make a secure automotive solution. For more technical specifications and feature of this solution, viewers can check out the description of this video and contact us for any projects or queries related to automotive solutions and applications.